I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Today's video is going to be a little different from the norm. The other day I happened to be at my dad's house when he asked me to help him make some cornbread. Now, I've made plenty of cornbread in my life, but it's usually sweet cornbread or something that comes from a box mix. But that is absolutely not how my dad eats his cornbread. What he makes is different. This cornbread is not sweet, it's not even yellow, but this is the way I grew up eating it. I told my dad I'd need his help making it because I'd never made it that way before. Instantly, I saw an opportunity to grab the camera and try to record the process. So while this is not your typical TMJ video, I think it's pretty cool. This is my 92-year-old dad teaching me how to make cornbread. I quickly learned that my dad wasn't measuring anything. He'd pour in some cornmeal, eyeball it, and then pour in some more. This recipe is not so much about the proportions that you use, but ultimately about the texture of the batter before you bake it.
That's not very much, is it? I believe I put a little bit more in. That'll do it.
One egg.
Yeah. Okay, stir it up. Put it in a skillet.
And you got it hot. You're turning it.
Getting it hot.
Okay.
Put this, drop this one side on. I want it to stick.
All right. Is that about the right consistency?
Yeah, that's all right.
And we're just going to put that then in our pan that's getting hot right there.
That's good.
Okay, so then we're going to put that in our oven.
Yeah, turn that fire off.
We don't have the oven on yet, do we?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay. What temperature?
400.
How long?
About 45 minutes or an hour, I guess.
Want me to get it?
Just a minute. Yeah, boy, that's just right.
Don't you burn yourself. Here. Woo-wee. That's pretty. This video was pretty special to me because my dad got to be a part of it. I hope you'll enjoy it as well. Don't forget to tune in Thursday. There's going to be a special edition of Something in a Pot. Until then, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.